Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to how to build up a city, a pretty generic city if you have to do like a cityscape or something like that. Um, so previously in my two tutorials, I showed you how to use Gribble and I showed you how to use Popular Terrain. Those are two plugins which we are gonna use in this tutorial now today. So this tutorial is going to show you how to combine those two plugins and build a city out of it. So first of all, what we're going to do is um, we're going to import a terrain file, a contour file from a CAD file. So get to the file, look for your just look for your folder, your file. Just click yes. So make sure that your derive AutoCAD primitives are all by layers, blocks as node hierarchy. Make sure in your geometry options that you tick well nearby vertices. Incoming file units shall be in meters. Check your layers. Make sure that all the selected layers that you need are selected. Press OK. Would you like to continue? Just press yes. So now we have um, a lot of contours which are pretty much in wireframe. So select the whole file. Go to your create, get to compound objects, get and click terrain. So you're gonna have like a lot of mesh, like a very messy lattice. So what we're gonna do for that, to build our city, first of all, we are going to establish a grid. So we're gonna go to tools and use popular terrain. I already showed last time how to download it. So all you have to do is go to Google and type and search for popular terrain. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna preview a grid, which it's gonna make it like a smooth, nice and clean grid. So I usually do it to do my grid 80 by 80 or 50 by 50. So you can do like approximate squares as well. So you can turbo smooth it, but not necessarily, since in this case the contours are pretty much close together. So we're gonna process it. Wait for it. It's just a little bit slow because it's processing a lot of data. So now that we have it, so we have a nice and smooth, squarey terrain. So now what we're gonna do now is I already have my Gribble, so I'm gonna go to customize, go to plugin manager, right click, load new plugin, look for my Gribble, my DLM file, select Gribble, open. So now Gribble's ready to go. So now that we have a nice grid, it's a generative thing. What we can do is we go to modify our list, type in Gribble, look for it. So you can see that we have a well-defined grid with all of the buildings on it. So what we can do now is we can build up a pretty fast city. So it's starting to take form. And now that's our city. So we already have a platform, so what we're going to do now is we're going to play with the buildings. The height, we can adjust the height however we want, 100, or you can put it 1,000 if you want to, or you can put it like 10,000, 100,000. So that's it. And we can play with the density as well. We can put it free, so that makes it more popular. So now let's have a look at it. So that's our city. It looks like a very dense city. And Yeah, so that was an explanation, a tutorial about how to use poplar terrain and Gribble together.